Garbini Pranayama, in which I have learned the importance of breathing and deep breathing, how deep breathing or conscious breathing helps in reducing the stress levels and improving the mental calmness.
It was really very nice pranayam. I loved it. Even while doing in the sessions, I felt so better and so relaxed. It's really amazing. I've never attended such sessions earlier. This is my second pregnancy, but I'm really thankful to you for sharing your knowledge and giving your valuable time. It was really amazing. I did it today morning also, and I felt so much better. There's a lot of positivity in each and every session of yours. I really feel very nice after listening to you.
Garbha Pranayama, which explains about benefits of breathing right and how it can help ease delivery and labor process. It negates negativity, increases oxygen level, etc.
Pranayama, the benefits of it for a pregnant lady, the hormones which get activated, and also all the different types of pranayama. And I definitely have been doing, so I know there's a different sense of calmness which brings into you. Also, on a daily basis, and like we all have a personal and professional issue, and we do react to it, and then the whole day goes off. So I think this really helps you to calm down, because I can see the change in myself.